Welcome to Technify, your destination for all things cutting edge in the world of technology. Today, we're taking a closer look at something truly exciting: the newly leaked details and early preview of DJI's upcoming compact drone, the DJI Flip 2. If you've been on the hunt for a drone that blends powerful flight capabilities, intelligent features, and a travel-friendly design, the Flip 2 could be just what you've been waiting for. DJI has long been known for crafting drones that cater to both newcomers and professional aerial filmmakers. The Flip 2 looks like it's continuing that legacy with a mix of smart technology, performance, and portability. What sets the DJI Flip 2 apart is its seamless integration of advanced flight tech within a completely redesigned body. Whether you're just stepping into the drone world or you're an experienced flyer ready for an upgrade, the Flip 2 seems to promise a balance of versatility and quality. At first glance, the drone may appear minimalistic, but don't be fooled. Beneath its compact frame lies a sophisticated machine. The Flip 2 features a refined foldable design, making it incredibly convenient to store and transport. When fully expanded, it measures around 300 by 300 by 80 millimeters, and yet it weighs in at under 250 grams. This lightweight structure not only enhances portability but also helps the drone fall within flight regulations in many regions, opening it up to a broader range of users. A notable safety feature is its fully enclosed propellers, which add protection during flight. Ideal for both indoor navigation and tight outdoor spaces. Combined with its aerodynamic build, you can expect smooth and responsive flying with reduced air resistance. On the imaging front, DJI has significantly leveled up. The Flip 2 is equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second. The result: crisp visuals, vibrant colors, and fluid motion, even in tough lighting conditions. For photographers, it supports RAW and DNG formats, offering greater creative flexibility during editing. The camera also provides an 82.1-degree field of view along with 4x digital zoom, making it suitable for sweeping landscape shots or tight subject tracking. Powering all of this is a 3,110 mAh battery, delivering up to 30 minutes of flight time on a single charge. DJI is also rolling out a multi-battery charging hub, allowing users to prep several batteries simultaneously, a big plus for creators aiming to stay airborne longer. Where the Flip 2 truly distinguishes itself is through its AI-enhanced flight features. One highlight is active track technology, which allows the drone to automatically follow a subject and keep it perfectly framed, an ideal tool for vloggers, athletes, or adventurers. Additionally, it includes a range of quick-shot modes like drone, rocket, circle, helix, boomerang, and spotlight. These presets enable even novice pilots to capture cinematic-style footage at the press of a button. Safety is further enhanced with LED lights for improved visibility in low light conditions and enclosed rotors to prevent accidents. Whether you're flying indoors or around dusk, this adds an extra layer of confidence. Connectivity has also seen an upgrade. The enhanced wireless transmission system ensures a more stable, low-latency connection between the drone and the remote, even in challenging environments. Plus, the new controller features a more ergonomic design for improved grip and comfort during longer flights. DJI is expected to offer the Flip 2 in various configurations, from a basic drone-only option to bundles that include accessories like extra batteries, a controller, a carrying case, and lens filters. Each package is designed to cater to different levels of use and creative needs. While we await DJI's official announcement for the final specs, everything revealed so far points toward the DJI Flip 2 being one of the most well-rounded compact drones available. That wraps up our breakdown of DJI's potentially game-changing compact drone, the DJI Flip 2. From what we've seen, this drone merges DJI's top-tier engineering with a lightweight, accessible form factor that's built for real-world use. Whether you're capturing awe-inspiring landscapes, documenting your outdoor adventures, or just enjoying the thrill of flight, the Flip 2 looks ready to offer a smart, smooth, and creative flying experience. With an upgraded camera, intuitive flight modes, and built-in safety features, the Flip 2 looks like a top contender for anyone seeking portability without compromise. So, what are your thoughts on the DJI Flip 2? Does it tick all the boxes for your drone needs, or are you holding out for the full reveal? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this in-depth preview, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Technify for more tech insights, product previews, and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.